Son, I just got you the dog you've always wanted.
Oh my God, a dog! I always wanted this. Thank you.
You're welcome, son. You should go play catch with it.
I should.
Yeah, but you gotta go pick him up. He's really fat and lazy. Yeah.
Well,
Well, you go
okay.
play. You go play catch. Yeah.
Okay, doggy, it's time to go fetch. And
I'm gonna steal that dog. It's my dog. I'm gonna go sell it. This nice kid just go play catch. What, son? What?
This stinky homeless guy just stole my dog.
It's not very nice, son. But
Go get it.
all right, we'll go get your dog. Come on, let's go. Oh, a stick. Come on, beat the homeless man with that, and I'll teach him for stealing my son's dog. That's him over there. Let's go get him. Don't steal my son's dog.
I'm sorry. Ow.
That'll teach him. Son, go get your dog.
Okay.
So where are you gonna name your dog?
I'm gonna name him Stinky.